Hello, Horn Photo Pro ROES users. In the next minute or so, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Horn Photo Pro ROES account and find your custom catalogs so you can start making prints right away. Step 1. Over here on the right-hand side under My Account, input the business name you registered with. This might be ABC Photography or XYZ Studios. If you don't know or don't remember exactly how you were registered, give us a call and we'll help you out. Now for this example, I'm going to enter the name Casey. Step 2. Click the Login button, and if you've entered a valid name, the input box will gray out. If you've entered an invalid name, nothing will happen. So, if the box grays out, you know you're logged in. Step 3. Head on over to the Build Order section. You can click the Begin Pro Order button here, or select the Build Order tab on the upper right. These choices go to the same spot in ROES. Step 4. Under Sizes, be sure you're browsing Horn Photo Pro clients. Then, find and click on the Special Pro Products tab. Here's where all of your custom products are, so if you need to have some 8x10s printed on luster paper, for example, just click on the Luster Professional Prints subgroup, find and click on 8x10 luster in the list of products, then drag your image onto the canvas where you can crop, add borders, mounting, and so on. With that, I believe you can take it from here. But if you need anything else, give us a call or come on into the store and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you again for choosing Horn Photo, and happy printing!